Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to actually mute someone on the Threads application. Now let's say you don't want to block someone or you don't want to unfollow someone because then they notice, but you still want to mute them. Now it's very easy, let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Threads application, as you can see right here. Now let's say I'm scrolling through my page and someone annoys me. Let's say it's Juventus, and here I want to mute and silence their profile. Now what I want to do, I want to go to the top right corner where the three dots appear, and here, as you can see, I can mute them. Now if I want to unmute them and I want to see who I've muted, I can simply go into my profile in the bottom right corner, go to the three stripes in the top right corner, and here I can go to privacy, and here you can see the third option where everyone is muted, and here I can simply unmute them. As you can see, it's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.